Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today for my Ipsy box, rather large Ipsy box. An Oreo just popped down. Go lay down, baby. Come on, go lay down. No, go lay down. So what this box is, oh, she's persistent today. This is my Open Studios for July. So this is the spoilers video. It's a pretty big box. And we'll just do a, let me see if I can pull this foam up and hold it. I don't know if I can. A little quick sneak peek there to see what's in the box. She sees all these boxes and she wants to, hey, can I chew any of these boxes? Go ahead, go lay down. It's not time for anything yet. It's a little bit later in the day, so she thinks it's getting close to dinner time. So what this is, like I said, this is my Open Studios. And it's for July, so these are all the spoilers. Ooh, exciting. So which one should we do first? Let's do the glam bag first. So I get the glam bag and then the plus. So this says Stay Golden, and this is a gold bag. Cute. And then that's the little pole. So is that like a sunburst? The blue stone in it. It's really cute right there. Nice bag. I mean, it's not, you know, cute. Nice blue interior. And let's see what I got in this glam bag and our possibilities for you also. And in this box, there are no cards because, you know, it's just everything is randomly chosen. So I have the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So this is a mask. Always happy to have that, as you could probably get maybe 2 uses out of that. So no complaining there whatsoever. Ooh, from It, this is Lash Blowout. So this is obviously a sample. Love sample mascaras. It is black. Yep. The next thing is real tiny, and this is from, I would assume this is from Cake. The shade is Trooper Black. I don't know if I can show you that. It's real tiny. Cake pencil. And it's, I mean, oof, that just went sailing. Let me see if I can get it real fast. You can see the size. Like here's a tube. So you can see how tiny this is. But you know what? This is great to throw in your handbag or to take away. So this is an eye pencil, and it is sealed. Oh, no, it's not. Right there is the... Okay. I'm not angry at that. I mean, I don't use black liner, but that's a perfect travel to put in your travel bag. Another product that I love from Briogeo, Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. These are wonderful. I've used a few of these over the last, you know, 3 or 4 months. I love Briogeo's leave-in conditioner. Briogeo, good brand. Ooh. Now, in a future video, you're going to understand why I love this. This is Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. I love the Tarte C skincare line. Small little sample. It is sealed, which is good. I don't think I have their primer, their Tarte C primer. So this is the Quench. Awesome. That's what I'm going to get in my glam bag. I'm happy. So that's the glam bag. And then the rest of this looks like it is the plus. So this is the bag, Stay Golden. This one's okay. I like the gold bag better. But that's just okay for me. Nothing crazy. So let's see what some of the spoilers are for July 2021 for the plus bag. From Juice Beauty, SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. Vegan, cruelty-free. Always excited to... Juice Beauty is, I think, under talked about and underrated. Very nice brand. That's nice. I usually am careful with SPF. Oh my, here we go. Everything is going to hit the floor today. I am so sorry. So I'm usually very careful with SPF on my face, but I do, because it is in my makeup. But I'm, like I said, I'm usually careful with it because I can get irritation. But Juice Beauty, I'm trying to think if I've ever tried their moisturizer. Maybe not. I don't think I did. I think it was more like the serums and stuff. So, ooh, this is wonderful. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. See, we get the whole box. In my base box for BoxyCharm, I have 2 masks. Give me the whole box if I'm going to pay the price. And there's 5 right there. These masks, these eye masks are wonderful. I've used them in the past. Love them. Ooh, from MOTD Cosmetics. Looks like we have some brushes. Is an option. And I am not going to open these. I'm going to leave them right as they are. Get cheeky with it. Bronzer brush. I'm trying to move them around in the bag. And a sculpting brush. Probably share them in a giveaway. Just brushes are just too much. Oh, yes, the card. I'm sorry, I forgot to show that. So that is Stay Golden is the theme for July. Nice. Happy for that. So what else is in here? What do I do next? Oh, Fenty Beauty, the Stunna lip paint. And this is what I have. I've seen pictures of these. What does that say? Unlocked. I just think they're stunning in the packaging. Let me see in person. It's so hard to tell sometimes when you see it online, but I can just pull that thing out. Oh, look at that packaging. Wow, that is bright, but I can always put it on and put a shade like a berry on top and mix it and have it work. I have a palette here. I don't generally get palettes too often. And this is a Beauty for Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette Golden Hour. And this is nice. Let's see. It does have a mirror and a protective shield. Let me see if I can take that off, or is it secure? Nope. No, come on, I had it. Protective shield. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying not to bang the palette. Cute. Not for me, but definitely a cute palette. 3 mattes and the rest are 5 shimmer shades. If the blue wasn't there, maybe. But, I mean, I could keep it and then just not use the blue. But to me, that's kind of a waste. Sometimes, though, shadows like that, when there's a blue, I can use it like for an eyeliner. So it's not a total waste for me. And then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're the 5 Ipsy Plus. And in here, I have the Pillowy Shave Cream and the Citrus Spritz. And this is the, for the Refreshments. They sent this along. So happy to have that. I don't shave with a razor, so I will share that. And then I'm just going to get rid of the box. I do believe that this was for all of the members of Open Studios, and this is from All Soleil. What's a nice bag. I think this is, I saw something that there was going to be a gift. So here's the card. 100% cotton gauze, wash cold, hang dry. It's a sarong. So this is nice. I'm not going to fully open this just because it's packaged so nice. But this will be nice to throw on, you know, just like they have it here around your bathing suit. It is summertime, so, oh, I'm happy to have that. So that and the Refreshments, you know, a little taste of what Refreshments could be. And I do believe that is a gift. So for Ipsy Plus, I have palette, the Wander eye patches, the Fenty lip, the moisturizer from Juice Beauty, and then the brushes. I'm not going to complain there. And then you get the cute little bag, and then the glam bag. I think these are great. I'm trying to think what I chose for my glam bag. I honestly don't remember. The Ipsy Plus, I think we pick in a day or two. I'm filming like, I think this, I don't even know what day of the week this is. Thursday. We might pick today, Thursday or Friday. I know we pick soon for what goes in our plus. So I will have to remember to do that. Remember to do that, even with BoxyCharm. Don't forget, it's important. You get at least then several products that you know you're going to want. Don't let them choose for you, because then you might not be happy with your, with your bags or your boxes. So this is the July 2021 Stay Golden. Here we go. It's close to the midday. Losing my voice. The Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. So tell me down in the comments below what you thought of this PR package. Are you a member of Ipsy, and would you join based upon what you saw here? So that is the Ipsy. I'll put that back there. I would love to know that in the comments. Or are you already an Ipsy member? I think I'm going to put a hold on the Glam Bag X. I think that's August. I was looking at the Halsey products because the creator is Halsey, and I'm just not feeling it. And I'm afraid that it's going to be too many of her products. I mean, I know, like, I'm not a fan of the Kardashians at all, but she picked brands that she loves. Now, I don't know, but I figured let me hold it, and I skipped just in case. I don't want products that I'm not happy with, or that I'm going to turn around and give the whole thing away. I like my Plus, so I'd rather get the Plus, I think. So I hope everyone has a great day. A big thank you to Ipsy for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.